In this module, we'll be focusing on quality control and best practices to ensure that every test you conduct is accurate and reliable. Quality control is a critical aspect of diagnostic testing, and following best practices not only ensures accuracy, but also maintains the integrity of your testing process. Let's get started. Quality control is essential in maintaining the accuracy and reliability of the INSTI Multiplex test. It involves a set of procedures and checks that ensure each test is performed correctly and produces valid results. Consistent quality control also ensures compliance with regulatory standards, which is crucial in any clinical or laboratory setting. Quality control includes using control samples to verify the test's accuracy, calibrating equipment regularly, and strictly adhering to the testing protocols provided by bioLytical laboratories. Control samples are a crucial part of the quality control process. These are known samples that contain a specific amount of antibodies. By running a control test, you can verify that the test kit is working correctly and producing accurate results. To use a control sample, follow the same steps as you would with a patient sample. Begin by preparing the control sample according to the instructions, then add it to the membrane unit and proceed with the test as usual. A successful control test should produce the expected result, either positive or negative depending on the control sample used. It's important to run a control test whenever you start using a new batch of test kits or if you suspect any issues with the testing process. Calibration of your equipment is another key aspect of quality control. Calibration ensures that all instruments used in the testing process, such as pipettes and timers, are working correctly and measuring accurately. To calibrate a pipette, use a calibration standard to verify that it's dispensing the correct volume. If necessary, adjust the pipette settings to ensure accuracy. Regular calibration checks should be part of your routine, especially if the equipment is used frequently. Make sure to calibrate your equipment regularly. Record the results of each calibration and replace any equipment that is found to be faulty. This practice is essential for maintaining the integrity of your testing process. Testing protocols provided by bioLytical laboratories is fundamental to ensuring consistent and accurate results. These protocols are designed to standardize the testing process and minimize the risk of errors. Follow the testing protocols step by step, from sample collection to handling the solutions and interpreting the results. Each step is carefully outlined to ensure that the test is performed correctly every time. It's also a good idea to review the protocols regularly to stay informed of any updates or changes that may be made to improve the testing process. Proper documentation and record keeping are vital components of quality control. Keeping accurate records of each test, including the control tests, calibration checks, and any issues encountered, helps track the reliability of your testing process. Accurate records allow you to review your testing process, identify any patterns or recurring issues, and provide essential documentation in case of an audit or review. Be sure to record all test results, log your calibration checks, and document any issues or resolutions. This practice not only supports quality control, but also enhances your overall testing efficiency. maintain the highest standards of test accuracy, always follow the established protocols. Use control samples regularly, calibrate your equipment, and keep accurate records. These best practices are the foundation of reliable diagnostic testing. Also, ensure that your test kits are stored properly, according to the manufacturer's guidelines, and stay up to date with any additional training or certifications that may be available. Continuous learning and attention to detail are key to maintaining accuracy in your testing. In summary, quality control is an essential part of the diagnostic testing process. By using control samples, calibrating your equipment, adhering to protocols, and maintaining accurate records, you ensure the reliability and accuracy of each test. Following best practices further enhances your ability to provide trustworthy results. Congratulations on completing Module 5. You now have a solid understanding of quality control and best practices in the testing process. In the next module, we'll cover safety and proper handling to ensure a safe testing environment. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next module.